DeepSeek version 4 might finally be here, and on top of that, 2 stealth models showed up on OpenRouter today with no attribution, no announcement, and specs that match almost exactly what's been rumored about version 4 for months. There's a lot happening right now, so let's get into it. So DeepSeek version 4 has basically been the most anticipated AI release of 2026, and today, things got a little bit more interesting. Someone spotted a list of DeepSeek version 4 model files that appeared to have been uploaded. You can see it right over here, and it's just a long scroll of DeepSeek version 4 int8 weight files, and that was enough to send AI Twitter completely sideways. Now, to understand why this matters, you have to know what's been going on for the past few weeks. DeepSeek was reportedly planning to release version 4 as early as the first week of March, which would have been their first major launch since DeepSeek R1, which came out back in January of 2025. That window came and went, and then people thought it was coming the weekend of March 7th, didn't happen either, so by this point, there's been weeks of hype, fake leaks, and community predictions that keep getting it wrong, which is exactly why you saw a tweet like from Token Park basically saying, "I'm a bit tired, there's too much fake news," and that's kind of where the whole community is at right now. But here's what makes today's leak different. Those aren't just random file names, those are actual model weight files, which suggests someone has access to the real thing. Whether that means a release is hours away or weeks away, nobody actually knows yet. And the market reaction was immediate. Someone posted shorting Nvidia, which is a direct callback to what happened when DeepSeek R1 dropped last year and briefly wiped out over $100 billion from Nvidia's market cap. People are clearly watching for that same kind of shockwave if version 4 actually lands. Now Polymarket, which is where people bet real money on predictions, currently has it at around 52% odds that version 4 releases by March 31st. So even with this leak, the people putting money on it are basically calling it a coin flip. What we know about version 4 is that it is expected to be a natively multimodal, meaning text, image, and video generation all in one model. It's reportedly a trillion parameter mixture of experts architecture with 1 million token context window and optimized to run on Chinese hardware rather than Nvidia GPUs, which is its own geopolitical storyline, which would make it the most capable, freely available, multimodal model ever released if the benchmarks hold up. So where does this leave us today? The files are real enough that people are taking it seriously, the release feels genuinely close, but DeepSeek has gone completely quiet officially, and we've been here before. But keep an eye on their GitHub and their API. That's usually where things show up first when it actually drops, and I'll be doing the same. Okay, this is kind of crazy. As soon as I finished recording that first segment, I just got some new news, and I wanted to report on this immediately. Basically, 2 mystery models appeared on OpenRouter today out of nowhere. There was no announcement, no press release, nothing, but one is called Healer Alpha, described as a frontier omnimodal model, vision, audio, reasoning, and action capabilities all in one. The other is called Hunter Alpha, over 1 trillion parameters, 1 million token context window, purpose-built for agentic use. Both are completely free right now, and here's the thing that caught everyone's attention. Both are listed under OpenRouter's own namespace, not under Anthropic, not under Google, not under any known lab, just OpenRouter. And that's weird because OpenRouter doesn't build models. That's not what they do. They're a routing layer. They send your requests to other providers, so when they publish 2 models under their own name, it means someone gave them these models and doesn't want their name attached yet. That's a deliberate choice. Now people are already connecting this to DeepSeek version 4 situation I just covered. And honestly, it's not a crazy leap. Hunter Alpha is over 1 trillion parameters with 1 million token context window optimized for agents, which is almost word for word what's been rumored about DeepSeek version 4 for the past 2 months, and the timing is hard to ignore. The same day the version 4 weight files surface, these 2 models quietly show up on OpenRouter with no attribution. There's also a note on both models' pages saying all prompts and completions are being logged by the provider, which tells you whoever is actually behind this is still in active development. They're collecting real user data to keep training. That's not something you do with a finished model you're just deploying. That's something you do when you're still building. Now, I want to be clear, I don't know for certain that these are DeepSeek. They could be from a lab nobody's heard of yet, or something being quietly tested before a bigger announcement. But if I had to guess based on the specs, the timing, and the way this is structured, I would be not surprised if we find out by the end of this week exactly who's behind them. This is moving fast, so I'll keep you updated. So what I've done right now is actually done a couple of tests with this new model, and I've tried to even ask it to figure out like what model it is. Sometimes when these stealth models comes out, if you press it long enough, like they'll reveal what model they are. But obviously this model keeps on saying that I'm Hunter Alpha, I'm from an unknown provider, so that didn't work, but it was worth a shot. So what I'm going to show you, for example, this is a finance dashboard that the new model created. My prompt was pretty simple. A finance dashboard for an investment company. Keep it clean, not dark colors. So we can look at this dashboard, and guys, this is pretty good. Like if this is the new DeepSeek version 4, when it comes to UI abilities, obviously like we've seen more and more models do this, but like if new model from DeepSeek is able to do this, it's going to be competitive. Now, if we look at it, it's pretty professional, everything like that. These charts, even like this chart, this is all HTML, by the way, right? It's not using something crazy. It's all HTML code and everything like that. They added fake Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, all of these stocks and everything. We can see the returns, trend, everything like that, current price. So I'm happy with this. And then what you're looking at right now is an automated snake game I made it create. So you can see like this is fully HTML once again, and this is the snake game it's happening. I can increase the speed to like 20, increase it like that. I can pause it and everything, but this game keeps on going. This guy's definitely a pro snake player. Obviously it's the computer, but it created this. And this is a website that I created for a SaaS company. And we can see like I told it to just go creative and like add amazing features like this. I really like this hover card feature that it added. Like this looks really professional. Once again, all HTML, CSS based. And then if I go down, and I think 3.js as well, like all of this is pretty good. So like when it comes to UI and coding abilities, this model is competitive. Obviously, we don't know if this is the actual full-blown model. I would love to see what the actual full-blown model will look like. But if the new models are able to create something like this, they are going to be useful for everyday users, number one. Maybe it will be useful for developers who are trying to save money and trying to use an efficient model, because that's the whole purpose behind DeepSeek. They're trying to create models that are competitive, but also cost efficient, right? That's their whole feature. So these models that might be leaked, Hunter Alpha and Healer Alpha, are going to be pretty competitive to the new models. Once again, I'm going to reiterate this. We don't know for 100% certainty that these models are DeepSeek version 4, but based on how they describe themselves, their trillion parameter and everything like that, it's very, very similar. So I wouldn't be surprised if these models are actually the new DeepSeek versions and they're just being tested right now in stealth mode on OpenRouter. I'll also include the link to these two models so you guys can test it out for yourself. But let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys are excited for DeepSeek version 4, because I think personally it's very soon. Maybe it's going to happen this week. Who knows? Maybe it gets delayed because the testing doesn't go as well. People don't really like these new models on OpenRouter. And once again, they go back into hibernation. I hope not. I hope they get what they want and we get access to the new model. But that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, follow us on Twitter, follow the world of AI, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter. We post constantly and you don't want to miss this. I'll see you guys in the next one.